In this video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer for Resident Evil Village. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on this reframework and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this input8.dll inside of a game folder and then go back, open the trainer and drag and drop this reframework and INI file inside of the game folder. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, you can able to see reframework menu. To open this reframework, you need to press the insert key in the keyboard. As you can see, default menu key is insert. Now expand the script generated UI, expand this trainer, make this large. Scroll down, you can able to see all the options available in trainer. Player infinite ammo, you can check mark and select save changes option. The settings will be saved in game. Same thing for player health. You can reduce the player health in game. As you can see, it turns red after reduce. You can increase the player health, and as you can see, it's working. And I doesn't have a gun to show you guys the infinite ammo. Whatever option you check to get save changes, select the save settings option. It will be saved in here, save settings. And now you can enjoy the game using that trainer, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.